So guys, we're kind of stuck with this Batman game.
Let me in! Let me in!
Oh, Adam.
So this is kind of impromptu, but it's not every day that you find a Sega Genesis in the box. So we're going to unbox it right here today. So the first thing, let's unbox this controller. I'm not sure we should take this out of the plastic, but I'm going to do it anyway. Listen to that click. This is brand new. This feels brand new, at least. It's not brand new. It was made in 1991. But here we go. Piece of my childhood, piece of my girlfriend's childhood, piece of her sister's childhood, piece of my best friend's childhood, and here it is. The box that it came in was missing a cartridge. We figured that was okay. It's supposed to come with Wimbledon and Greatest Heavyweights, which is a boxing game. This was a Walmart exclusive. Peep the old logo on that. The box is kind of beat up, but as you can see, Sonic 3, The Ren and Stimpy Show, Echo the Dolphin, NFL Football 94, Home Alone 2. Oh,
My
man.
favorite, Aladdin.
This is 93, so this isn't the first generation, but that's
still pretty cool.
That may be a good thing, because as it evolved...
Look at that, guys.
Okay, so I'm going to grab the Genesis first so I don't rip anything. The Genesis, I swear to God, it looks like it's never been used.
Never been used. Just been staying in the box.
The cartridge port looks brand new. The power and reset buttons are clicky.
Which is great. Another controller.
Another controller. This one actually kind of feels rough. It's actually, that's been used.
That's okay.
Feels like it's got some kind of sawdust on it.
I don't know.
That could actually be cardboard, like the cardboard flaking onto the plastic.
Yeah. So, we'll be back in just a minute. We're gonna plug it up and see if it works. Alright guys, we were just about to plug it up and turn it on, but we saw something cool.
You get the arcade advantage. Look at them graphics.
Oh, goodness.
The 6-button arcade stick, the control pad. This is what kills me. The instruction manual. I don't even think you get these with consoles anymore.
Hey babe, look at it. Epilepsy warning.
No, you still get those.
Oh, you still get those.
Yeah, you actually do still get those. You think it's too late to register?
Can I register it, guys?
Let us know in the comments.
Let us know if we can register it. Oh.
Game assistants.
Oh, I wonder if they're still there to help us.
Probably. I'd say they've been sitting around for a little
wow.
bit. Whoa, dude. Okay.
That's pretty cool.
And I know exactly what this is. This unfolds into an Eternal Champion full-size poster.
Let's look at that. Guys, that's never been hung. That's never been probably even opened.
And it's got, like, the list of things you can buy. You could buy a carry-on bag for a Sega Genesis.
Oh.
Why would you do that? Why would you ever do that?
That's hilarious.
There's the failed Sega CD and the Genesis CDX. The Game Gear, which played Genesis games on portable. Yeah, who needs a Nintendo Switch when you've got a Game Gear?
I still have a Nintendo Switch.
It's a joke.
Alright guys, we're going to plug this up. We'll be back in just a minute.
Wimbledon. There it goes.
Oh,
wow.
Oh my goodness.
Wow.
Guys. And the funny thing is, I paid $40 for all this.
And they usually run like 170 to 200 for an inbox. I don't know how to play Wimbledon, but
I don't know
I'm gonna
either.
give it a shot.
Let's try, guys.
Let's see. I need to play a computer match. He looks good. Yeah, we'll play Mauser versus Mauser. I don't know. I don't know what I'm doing here, guys. We have the volume turned off so that, in case there's like copywritten music or something. No!
Aww.
Ah! Okay, apparently I know what I'm doing.
Here, how about you let a pro try?
Okay. This is so stinking cool. Guys, you have no...
Okay, well.
Why don't you let a pro try?
Oh my goodness.
Guys, this is stinking cool. We are going to be playing this for the next couple of hours. We just wanted to share in the fact that we found this and unboxed it, and it was in perfect, like beyond perfect condition. So anyway, this has been Adam and Liz.
Okay, this player's being mean.
Take it easy.